Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Laravel webhook signatures with hashing validation. Complete guide step by step clearly. To verify Laravel webhook signatures, start by ensuring you have the hash key used for signing the webhook requests. Open your Laravel project and navigate to the route where you will handle the incoming webhook requests. In your controller, add a method to process incoming webhooks. Extract the X signature header from the incoming request using Laravel's request object. Retrieve the raw request body using the same request object. Now, you will need to create a hash using Laravel's hash facade. Call the hash_mac function with the appropriate parameters. The first parameter is the hashing algorithm, typically SHA-256. The second parameter is the raw request body. The third parameter is your webhook secret key. Ensure that the hash is properly encoded in hex format. Compare the generated hash with the signature obtained from the header. Use a simple condition to check for a match. If the hashes match, the signature is valid. You can then process the webhook data as needed. If the hashes do not match, return an error response indicating verification failure. Optionally, log failed verification attempts for security auditing. Test your implementation by sending mock webhook requests to your endpoint. Verify that valid requests are processed correctly and invalid ones are rejected. Congratulations, you have successfully implemented webhook signature verification in Laravel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.